Hello friends, welcome back to yet another video of Sandika Kitchen. Guys, first of all I would like to say thank you to all my viewers out there who have liked and supported my channel through your comments or your subscription. Guys, it's an immense pleasure that I would like to share with you my happiness that we have achieved 100 subscribers within a week of time. So guys, I really appreciate your love and support and your efforts that you write into the comment section, your invaluable comment which I read. So guys, thank you for that. Now today the recipe that I will prepare in my kitchen, that will be chocolate mud cake. So let's head to the kitchen and see how it goes. So guys, let's begin with our recipe. So as you can see, I've got a bowl with me. I've got a whisker as well. This recipe is for our cake. So I've got 3 eggs here. I've got half butter. Then I got 1 cup of sugar powder. I got 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then we got vanilla essence, which I will use only few drops. We got white flour, around 1 cup. And then cocoa powder, around 4 to 5 teaspoons. Let's quickly begin our recipe by cracking the eggs. Then we'll add baking powder. Now we will add our white flour. So it's almost done. We'll quickly add white flour in it. Make sure you don't get lumps in it. So we'll whisk the batter smoothly. Now my batter is almost ready. I will now transfer this batter into my mold. You can see I've applied oil around the mold, as you can see, and also see that I've used my butter paper here, Amul's butter paper, which I've again greased with the oil. Now I'm going to transfer it quickly. See the layer. Just pour it half. Now to level it up, I'll shake a little bit so that the batter settle down. Moving on to the next step, we'll switch on the gas. I will heat the idli maker on low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Guys, for you I'll give you a tip. You can use pressure cooker if you want. Now I'll quickly place our mold into the idli maker. And then we'll cover with the lid. Put it on low flame and let it heat for a few minutes, at least 5 to 7 minutes, then you can check it. Now I will remove the lid and check my cake. I think we're almost there. Let me check with the toothpick. So guys, I think it's almost done. We'll quickly turn off the gas now and cover it. We'll quickly take out the mold. Now we'll try to take out the cake. I think it's done. So Now we'll turn it. I think it's almost good. So what we will do is, the next step will be our icing. So I'll prepare my icing now. Now for the icing part, we will take icing sugar, that is 2 tablespoons. Then cocoa powder, we'll use around 1 tablespoon. Little bit more. Then we will use 2 tablespoon butter. Little bit more. And then we'll take vanilla essence. There you go. So now we'll start blending it with our whisker. Now you can see the frosting, the chocolate frosting is ready, but the thickness is too much. So what I'll do is, I'll add 2 tablespoons of milk. Let me blend it with my spoon. As you can see that my cake is almost ready. I've done the plating. I've got some chocolate syrup, frosting chocolate. I'll put it here and evenly I will distribute it. Now as you can see in the video that my cake is almost ready. I've got some Cadbury jam. I'm going to place it on the edges of the cake one by one, like this. You can store it afterwards in the refrigerator. Isn't this look delicious to you guys? So guys, now you can check out my cake. I'm gonna store this cake into my refrigerator for at least 10 to 15 minutes or half an hour, and then we will enjoy this yummy cake. Alright? My cake is now ready. I'm gonna cut the cake and see the sponginess. I think this is very perfect. See how spongy my cake is. You can see the cake from inside. Have a look guys. Isn't this look yummy? So guys, you can make this cake very easy, homemade cake at home with the available ingredients for any occasion, whether it's birthday, anniversary or any occasion. So thank you so much once again. Guys, my chocolate mud cake is ready now. You can have it on any occasion, whether it's birthday, Father's Day, Mother's Day or any celebration. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you do enjoyed it, then please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family. Till then, stay tuned to my channel Stanley Kitchen. You'll get more recipes very shortly. Stay blessed and stay home, stay safe.